Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by reproducing the issue so it's consistent. This matters because developers need a repeatable case. Once done, gather system details, OS, GPU, RAM, game version, and build ID, and note exact map or level. Make quick evidence, 1 to 3 screenshots and a 30-60-second clip, plus the game log. Then open the official Forsaken bug report form and prepare to paste concise metadata into the first fields. You now write a clear, numbered sequence that reproduces the bug. List exact actions, timings, and controls used so someone else can follow. Explain what you expected to happen versus what actually occurred, and include any crash codes or console output. Attach the log file and video. Compress large files if needed. Then select severity and platform, because that guides triage priority, and add tags like multiplayer, UI, or physics to route your. You submit the report and immediately copy the ticket ID so you can reference it later. Make sure to check email or the bug tracker for developer follow-ups, and respond promptly with requested logs or clarification. If asked for more evidence, reproduce with debug logging enabled. Finally, try a quick troubleshooting step yourself. Validate game files or reproduce on a clean profile to confirm the problem is not a local mod or corrupted asset. Mention that result in the ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.